Alrighty, folks, we are back again and live at 10:08, battling for Seth's 32-back Luke. I'm going to go up to the top and copy our 200 spots and take them to random to find our winner. There we are at the top of the list. Going to copy it here. Going to paste it here, and we have 200 entries. Radical. Alright. Let's do this thing. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We got an 11. We're super good to go. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Lucas, round 1. Andrew, 2. Sean, round 3. Eric, round 4. Matt, round 5. Ann, round 6. Bill, round 7. Scott, round 8. Eric, round 9. Matt Sorrentino, round 10, which brings us invariably to the last round. Good luck, players. Here we go. And the winner is Dennis Chicalero in at number 60. Congrats, Dennis. Here's the verification code and official results. Nice hit. QT OGGW. Dennis in at number 60 is the victor. I'm done at 10:09. Whammy. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congratulations. We'll see you next time. Thanks.